Unplug it. Alright, Liam. Say good morning.
Good morning. My name is Liam. I'm a weird stranger.
And that's how we're gonna start this. Liam, what do you do when you catch a Pokemon? What do you do?
Run away from me like that.
Oh.
Good morning. So last night came back late from home and Regina ended up staying at my place, and it's the morning. I don't know what I'm doing, but I am going back to Davis today, so I gotta pack for that, and I'm gonna go eat breakfast, look for something to eat. I'm having this green tea red bean bread that I found at my house and a side of newspaper that I have yet to read.
On the adventures of Liam. What'd you do, Liam?
I can't
Liam is hooked on video games, right, Liam? Oh, game over.
Almost.
Almost. Sarina's dance moves.
Sabrina, show it your dance moves.
Everybody in the child profession business needs a master's degree. If she gets the 76.
And he's still playing, right?
Battle here.
He can battle here?
Remember last time we
Yeah.
battled?
Okay, now here at Doghouse Grill, I'm gonna eat. You wanna hold the GoPro?
Yes, please.
Okay, here we go.
Hello. Wow, you look so fancy to go to Doghouse.
Hey, cool, it has a screen. I never knew it had a screen. Glued to their phones. What was that?
Okay,
There's
we're gonna have some lunch. I ordered a steak sandwich. Basket of fries. And it's quite eventful in this building. Pretty cool.
Alright, your daily dose of Al. So we're near gym right now, guys. And yellow team took over, but I'm team blue. And okay, so I got pulled pork. Right here, pulled pork. And there's a basket of fries, 2 tri-tips, kid sandwich, a hot dog, and calamari. So what you gotta say today, Dad?
Hungry.
What'd you say?
I'm hungry.
Oh yeah, his first time and his first time here, but not mine. And here's Liam with the last word.
We're at Equator and I got a mocha. It's so pretty. I'm gonna study until it closes. Hers is pretty too.
That's pretty.
No, mine is. Mine is perfect. Off to Davis and there's so much traffic. We're moving so fast.
Right now, I'm gonna go swimming.
We just had dinner at Whole Foods and we're gonna get ice cream. Whoa, it looks so crowded. I hope they have good flavors today.
I'm out here and I don't know where I am. Anyways, I'm coming back from my cousin's area. Ow, my toe hurts. And I'm having a sushi grand opening. It's not grand opening, I don't believe them. But yes, nighttime sushi for dinner. I'm having the J&J roll right now for dinner. Watermelon for dessert.
We just went swimming and I actually feel cold for the first time here. and I didn't bring a towel to the pool. And there's people at the pool, so I didn't really get to swim that much, but it was still fun.